102. A vector of magnitude 30 makes equal angle with xyz axis. Then component of vector along xyz axis are. What is magnitude of that vector?
30 units.
And it is making which angle with xyz?
Equal angles.
Equal angle. That means cos alpha is same as cos beta is same as cos gamma. That is what they are saying.
Yes.
Correct now?
Yes.
What is cos alpha formula?
Upon A.
Ax upon A. Ax upon A, na?
Yes, yes.
Ax upon A. And cos beta?
Sorry, AY upon A, I guess. No, it is BY upon B.
No, बराबर बोल रहा था आप. Cos beta is Ay upon A. बराबर है. And cos gamma is Az upon A. If I square and add all, then can I say 100 wala, can I clear it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Alpha, beta, gamma all are same. I'm just squaring and adding because you are interested in component. मतलब आपको चाहिए ax. All component will be same na, because angle is same.
Yes, sir.
So squaring and adding, we get cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is ax square upon a square, ay square upon a square, az square upon a square. So can I say ax square plus ay square plus az square upon a square?
Yes.
What is ax, ay, az? Square root of a square है ना ये?
Yeah.
बराबर ना?
Yes, yes.
Because root of ax square ay square is nothing but magnitude. तो इसका मतलब a square है ना न्यूमरेटर.
Yeah.
That means you get cos square alpha plus cos square alpha plus cos square alpha. All alpha, beta, gamma are same. 3 cos square alpha is 1. Cos square alpha is 1 by 3. Okay. So what will be cos of alpha? 1 by root 3.
1 by root 3.
So ax upon a is 1 by root 3.
Yeah.
How much is a given?
30.
So 30 upon a is 1 by root 3. No, ax we want, no? Ax upon 30 is 1 by root 3.
Yeah.
Solve, then we'll get copy this much. Angles are same. Cos alpha is same as cos beta is same as cos gamma.
Done. Sir, 1 minute.
Yes, completed.
Last, sir.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Then with some
103.
103.
103. Show that if ABCDEF is regular hexagon, value of AB vector plus AC vector plus AD vector plus AE vector plus AF vector will be how much? Diagram is given. Regular hexagon. A, B, C, D, E, F, regular hexagon. This is O. Regular hexagon means this way, no?
Yes.
This way it is down. AB this is AB. This AB plus AF, can I say it is AO?
Not understood, sir.
This is AC.
Yeah.
What is triangle law? AB plus BC.
Yes. Understood. Yeah.
So in place of AB, I'm writing as it is.
Oh,
This AC is nothing but what? Is it AB plus BC
yeah.
vector? Is much clear?
Yes, sir. Understood. Now. Understood.
Now AD bar they are telling. This is AD. Okay. AD.
AD is 2 times, sir.
A to D. You can also write AO plus OD, na?
Yeah.
They are in line. That means it is AD. This AD. I can write 2 times AO.
Yeah.
A to D. Again we'll see. A O O D. So AD is nothing but twice AO plus AE. AE and AF we want. AF is this.
Yeah.
And this is A.
Yeah.
AE plus AF. AE AE is AO plus AF, na?
Yes.
AF. AE is AO. This is AE. So diagonal from same starting point is sum of adjacent side. Therefore OA
Yes, sir.
and AF I wrote. This much clear? AE
Yes.
plus OF.
So,
Hmm.
Sir, it can be EO also, right? AO and EO.
Huh?
AO and EO, like if we have to take the diagonals,
Yes.
adjacent.
AO and EO are same. They're different. No? Are they in one line?
No, no.
No, we can't take. If it is one line, then you can double it.
Hmm.
It's not in one line. So again, say AB. I wrote AB. AC is AB plus BC. Not followed.
Understood.
And AD is double of AO, no? Because they're in one line. Now A to E means AO plus AF. AO, what I wrote? AO. Oh, here I made mistake. AO plus AF. This much you all have followed?
Yes.
So 2 AO and 1 AO. We got 3 AO, no? So 2 AB. AB is 2 AB plus BC plus AF plus 3 times AO or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Is AF, this AF, AF and BC. BC is same as AO.
Yes. BC is equals to
Opposite sides are congruent, na?
opposites of parallel.
So, एक second here, करने चल रहा है. So this will be twice AB.
The AF will also be twice.
AF will be twice. किधर है AF twice?
One of AE, AO, and AF plus AF.
AB,
Yes.
AB twice AB, BC, then 3
No, so
AO.
she is saying that this we took AE bar, we split it into two, no? AO plus AF, and there is also one more AF remaining. So one more AF will be added.
What we will be doing? What?
We just
AB plus AF. I can write this much as AO. So this AB plus this AF, I can write AO, no? So only one AB will be left out, plus BC will be left out. This is AO. That means it is AB plus BC plus 4AO, no? Correct?
Can you explain it again?
yes, sir.
103 we are doing.
Yeah.
One vector, two vector, three vector, four vector, five vector, six vector. This is O. A, B, C, D, E, F. What we have to find? Tell.
AB bar
Hmm?
plus AC bar
Hmm?
plus AD bar
Hmm?
plus AE bar plus AF bar.
Plus A bar plus AF bar. Okay. फिर और भी अभी देखो यू हैव टू जस्ट एडजस्ट अपने दिमाग से सोचते जाओ ए बी प्लस बी सी कैन आई से ए सी
Yes, by triangle law.
so in place of this AC can I write AB plus BC?
Yeah.
I've just used triangle law, nothing else. A to D is this is nothing but AO, no? So
Yeah.
it will be A to D will be double of AO. This is common sense.
Yes.
Plus AE. Where is A? This is A. AE. AE. AE bar प्लस AF bar. पहले इतना लिखता हूँ. इधर तक कुछ डाउट?
Nice.
No, sir.
No, sir.
That's clear cut. AB as it is. AC I wrote AB plus BC. AD is double AO. AE plus AF we got. AE plus EF. See, A to E is one vector. You know, ऐसा A and then EF. Correct na?
Yeah.
A to B, E, A to F, and this is third drawn na?
Yeah.
1 minute again. Fully will do. AB plus AB. Can I write 2AB?
Yes.
Okay, चलो जितना steps आगे जाता है उतना I will keep and then we'll simplify. Don't worry. No, I think nobody is having doubt till this.
No,
Anybody is having doubt till this? No, na?
no, sir. After the split A, you know, that's where the doubt comes.
This AF and CD are same, na? AF and
Yes.
OB are also same, no? They are same, see? All are same, na? This one, this one, and this one. They are same, na?
Yes, sir.
Till this, any doubt is there? Anybody is having doubt till this?
No, sir.
No, no, because see, you can't by heart. You have to understand. Now, vector AE plus AF to AB, BC. AB, 1AB, oh, AB plus BC I wrote for AC. Okay, no problem at all. OA. Is BC same as OA?
Yeah.
Yes.
So this BC
Yes.
also can write AO, na?
Yeah.
Plus A plus A. So I think till this, no doubt.
Yes, sir.
Plus 3 AO. Write this much, then only two more lines are there. I will explain.
Done, sir.
Now, I'm left out with 2 AB, 1 AE, and 1 AF. Can you say AE is nothing but BD?
Yes.
Yes.
and this is BC plus CD.
Yes, yes.
इधर करता हूँ. This equals to AO we got. So AB plus AF will become again AO. So 1 AB plus 1 AB plus AF plus AE plus 3 times AO. Now AB plus AF is AO, na? AB plus AO plus AE plus 3 AO. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it is AB plus AE plus 4 AO. AB plus AE. AE को लिख दिया BD, B to D. I'm just clearing everything. Huh? You just copy this much only. AB plus AE plus 4 AO is our last.
Sir, it should be 2 AB.
Done, sir.
Yes, can I clear it off? AB plus AE plus 4 AO.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now AB and AE 4 AO. I'm just clearing this. We'll get final result.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, it should be 2 AB. 2 AB plus 4 AB plus 9.
No, 2 AB is split ना. AB कर दिया था.
Oh, okay.
AB and AF को ऐड करके AO बना दिया था. I'm just writing last line, the one which we got. What we got last line as?
AB bar plus AE bar is plus 4 AO.
AB bar plus
AE bar.
plus 4 times AO, correct?
Yes.
Now A, B, we can take same as DE. DE plus AE is equals to AD, na? Barabar? See, AB is nothing but DE only.
Yes. Understood.
This is same as BE
Yeah.
plus AE.
Yeah.
Now DE plus AE is nothing but BD, na?
Yeah.
This is A to D. plus 4 times AO, and A2D is double of AO,
Yes, sir, understood.
6 AO. You can't buy it. Somebody might start with some different method. Ultimate will be same. So without my help, just 2-3 times you practice by your method. Then if query comes, you tell me, I have solved this way. Is it correct or not? So next time I may solve by the different method also. Copy.
Sir, I also have one more method in mind.
What answer you got?
No, I got the same answer, but I have one more method. We know that this is a regular hexagon.
Hmm.
So in regular hexagon, the center, all the sides are equal,
Hmm.
and a regular hexagon always has 6 equilateral triangles in it. So therefore, OA is equals to OB is equals to OC is equals to OD till OF. Therefore, then AB plus AD, AE, that all we have given, we can substitute all as OA, then we will get as 6 AO.
I didn't understood what you said. See, this is
And-
difficult to understand. Once I post it, then I can see it in fact.
No, sir, I have not written, but I have this method in mind. I have not tried though. I'm saying that in a regular hexagons, a
No,
hexagon
no,
is
you can't
composed.
do anything. Now you have to solve that, what they have given, and get the answer. No, they are telling this plus this plus this plus this is what, huh?
Okay.
So I have to start from what is given.
Yeah. So, sir, I will by tomorrow I will send by doing that.
Write
in
up
the-
you send, because if there is any wrong thing, I will rectify. If correct, I will say you can do this method.
Okay, sir.
So after 103, which one?
Sir, 104 only.
1041. If A bar is a unit vector in given direction, then what is A bar into dA bar upon dt is? Okay, ये कैप है ऊपर, A कैप, सब कैप कैप लिखा है, A कैप. If A cap is a unit vector in a given direction, then 104. A cap dot change in A cap with respect to time. Change in A cap and A cap, are they in same direction or in opposite direction?
Same.
Same. A cap is unit vector in given direction. So dA cap with respect to A and dA are in same direction. That means it will be square of magnitude,
Yes.
correct? No?
Yes. Yes.
DA means change.
Yes. Dot product of two vectors in same direction is the square of their magnitude.
Square of its magnitude, yes. But see, मैथ्स में DA का कुछ तो मीनिंग रहता है. DA मतलब स्मॉल चेंज. एक सेकंड. A means which vector?
Unit.
Unit vector. And DA means what? Change in unit vector, no?
Change in unit, but in same direction.
Same direction. So this is A bar, change in unit vector, since A bar, इधर ये मैथ्स है थोड़ा, is unit vector, correct?
Yeah.
So can I say it is constant?
Yes,
यूनिट वेक्टर इज कांस्टेंट, तो उसका चेंज क्या होने वाला है? जीरो ना.
0.
तो ए कैप डॉट जीरो हो गया ना, ये इक्वल टू जीरो इज द आंसर. सी, a cap means unit vector, its dot with the change in a cap. Because it is unit vector, means its magnitude is same. It can't change only. That means change is zero.
Okay, so understood.
हाँ, थोड़ा मैथ्स है इसमें.
Sir, अभी 106.
106. 106 you can read.
Figure shows three vectors P, Q, and R, where C is the midpoint of AB. Then which of the following?
डायग्राम बेस्ड है तो मुझे देखना पड़ेगा ना. डायग्राम आई हैव टू चेक ना. F1 F2 are two unit vectors. Oh, 105 here, 106 na. Okay.
Oh, next.
Diagram I'm drawing. 106. Yeah. 106. Figure represents three vector PQRC is the midpoint. One vector, two vector, three vector, A, B, C. This is Q, R, P. O. C is the midpoint. Then which of the following relation is correct? C's midpoint means what?
AC is equals to BC, CB.
Magnitude wise, AC will be same as BC, na?
Yes, magnitude of AC is equals to BC.
Is this a right angle? अब ये arrow मारा है ना इधर.
Yeah.
For this particular triangle, in triangle OBC, can I say OB vector plus BC vector will become OC vector
Yes.
by triangle law?
Yes. Okay.
So OB is Q, BC I don't know, equal to R bar, correct?
Yeah.
And in triangle AOC, vector OA plus vector AC, can I say it is vector OC?
Yeah.
OA, AC is OC. OA is P, AC vector I don't know, and OC is R.
Yeah.
This also clear?
Yes.
So when you add this, we get P plus Q plus BC plus AC equal to 2R.
Yeah.
BC and AC are equal in magnitude, but opposite in direction. BC, AC are equal in magnitude, opposite in direction.
Yes.
So that means this is minus AC, na? Plus AC equals to 2R. This will get cancelled. P plus Q is 2R. This is
Yes.
BC, this is AC. Equal, opposite. Result, cancel each other. So P plus Q is 2R. Important. Equal opposite vector, they cancel each other. So BC, AC are equal opposite, they will cancel each other.
Sir, in the case if AB was also given as vector with the arrow pointing towards B.
Where it is
So-
here, there is no arrow pointing.
No, no,
towards.
no. I am saying if the condition was, if the figure
Then-
was given like that.
Then something else they will ask, na?
Yeah.
Every time same figure, they can't ask same thing, huh? They will ask something.
Understood, sir.
After this 106, 107, 108, 109.
No, sir. After this, direct 110.
Directly under
110.
angle between vector A and B is theta. What is value of triple product? That one?
Yes, sir. The triple product.
Meaning you don't know, so you didn't what? Angle value of triple product. (110). Angle between vector A and B is theta. The value of triple product A dot B bar प्रिंट नहीं हुआ लगता है. A bar dot B bar ब्रैकेट में प्रिंट नहीं हुआ ना शायद. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
That one word is not printed ना. B bar cross के आगे दिया नहीं ना.
No, incomplete.
Yes, sir. After it, it is incomplete. We
It was, sir, I guess one more sum was same to same afterwards. Yes, sir, 122nd. It is the same.
हाँ, it should be B bar cross A bar. एक मिनट आपको बताता हूँ.
Yes, sir, it is same as 122nd. I didn't got both.
Sum number 110. The angle between A bar and B bar is theta. The value of triple product A bar dot B bar cross A bar. This is the question. Huh? Is dash. Okay.
Sir, it is the same as the 122nd.
Huh. So same. Once you one you don't get, other you will not get. Huh?
Yes.
Now see how to do this. The angle between A bar and B bar is theta. Then for triple product, A bar dot B bar cross A bar is how much? What is B bar cross A bar vector? It is perpendicular to B bar cross A bar. It is perpendicular to both A bar and B bar or not?
Yes,
This you know cross product of a vector is perpendicular to both A bar and B bar.
yes, sir.
That means I will get some vector as C bar. This is suppose C bar. Let C bar equal to this. Okay. Now this C bar is perpendicular to A bar. Correct?
Yes, yes.
B bar cross A bar को नाम दिया C bar. C bar is perpendicular to A bar. So it will be A bar dot C bar, but C bar is perpendicular to A bar. So what is dot product?
0.
0. Therefore, A bar dot C bar is this answer. This is also very good sum. Click होना चाहिए सब exam में. This is nothing but something which is perpendicular to A. So A bar perpendicular to C is 0. Then
1 second. 112.
1 2 1 1 2. I explained you that formula of change in velocity is 2v sine theta by 2 that I explained you.
Yes, sir.
That I explained today.
Yeah.
Okay. A vector is turned without change in its length. That means magnitude is same. by small angle d theta. So can I think it like radius vector? Length is same.
Yes.
Length is same, no?
Yes.
So value of magnitude of change in A and delta A. Magnitude of change in A and delta A.
Zero comma zero because it will not change.
A vector A bar is turned without changing its length to angle delta theta, then change in magnitude of delta A vector and delta A will be. If you recollect that formula, this is V, this is dV, correct? In fact, this is magnitude of dV, correct?
Yes.
This we got formula as 2V sine theta by 2 or not? This formula we got
Yes.
2V sine theta by 2.
Yes.
So 2V sine theta by 2 will be like 2A sine theta by 2. Sine theta by 2 is your d theta. So for small angle, for very small angle, sine theta can be taken as theta. So sine d theta by 2, you can take d theta by 2. Therefore, delta A ka change in magnitude will be 2A d theta by 2. 2 cancel. What we get? A d theta. And change in vector is 0. Hello? And second one, delta A is 0. Followed?
Yes, I understood.
Check again properly meaning. Here maths wala tha sin theta is same as theta if sin theta is same as theta for smaller angle.
But for this, we have assumed that theta is roughly that small angle.
Hmm?
For this, we have assumed that for very small angle, theta is equals to d theta by 2.
What we have done? What you are saying?
I am saying that we have taken assumption that sine theta is equal to theta.
In maths we have not done. If angle is measured in radian, then sin theta is same as theta.
I was absent in that lecture.
That means
Due
you
to
were
something.
absent.
No. I basically just got into the lecture towards last half an hour when this started with the trigonometry. So I just have a little knowledge.
Okay. Just write down, then I'm explaining you how we get. Shall I clear this?
Just a minute. Yes, okay.
What is sine 0? Sine 0?
0 degree. Sorry, 1.
What is sine 30?
1/2.
I can't say here sine theta is theta because it is half. So you can't say 30 is half, na?
Yes.
So that means this is not true. But if I measure this in SI unit radian, what is 30 degree? Is it pi by 6?
It is 5/6.
Let us check whether it is equal to pi by 6 or not. That means sine theta equal to theta or not.
Okay.
This is half
Yeah.
and this is 3.14 upon 6. So approximately half only, na?
Yes. Yes. Understood.
See, more smaller angle, more this error will reduce. So for smaller angle, if measured in radian, not in degree, then only sine theta is theta. Okay.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Therefore, d theta by 2, d means very small,
Yes.
will be equals to only d theta by 2. So our change in velocity, this a vector is 2a sine of d theta by 2, which is 2a d theta by 2. Therefore, 2 cancel a d theta in its magnitude. Okay.
Yes, sir. Understood.
So today we stop here. We have completed till 112, na?
Yes, sir. 1/1 2.
Yes, sir.
112 किया क्या 116 किया अभी?
112.
1/1 2.
112.
So still we are lagging behind. Till 125, how many you have more?
4, sir.
4 बाकी है.
6 4 doubt है.
चलो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में करते हैं फिर, क्योंकि ओवरडोज नहीं होना चाहिए ना. यू शुड एंजॉय आल्सो. Regular lecture, this all you have to again practice because you had doubt.